To say how much we have enjoyed our bingo sessions. We look forward to our Mondays, not just for the bingo, but for the friendly faces and the laughter, which wouldn't have been possible without you both. So thank you very much.
Oops, sorry, we got to go now. We think there's the virtual postman at the door with our cheques. Bye!
Rydyn ni'n chwerthin am awr. Mae Brian yn canu i ni. Mae fe'n cael rhywbeth i dweud am y rhifau pan mae fe'n galw nhw mas, a mae fe'n ddoniol. A heb pobl arbennig fel Diane a Brian, bydda i yn teimlo'n drist iawn. So, diolch yn fawr iawn i'ch dwy ohonych chi. Wyt ti'n arferchog iawn ac wyt ti'n helpu'r cymdeithas pobl gyda MS. Diolch yn fawr.
Hi Brian and Diane, I'm joined today by Boris from number 10, Boris's Den, to say a huge thank you to you for the wonderful bingo sessions that we have every Monday. It is truly a joy to be part of those sessions and to see the happy, smiling faces and to share in all the fun. You are both absolutely amazing. Thank you so, so much.
Hello, this is Sue. To say a big thank you to Brian and Diane. The bingo has been absolutely fantastic, something to look forward to on a Monday. Everyone's really enjoyed it, I know. It's just been such fun. Thank you for being so calm and so wonderful, and for welcoming my mum too, which was really kind. So, see you soon. Bye.
Hi Brian and Diane. We just wanted to say a big thank you to the both of you for hosting the bingo sessions throughout the pandemic. It's been such good fun, and the two of us are really glad that we got on the Brighton line with you. As far as we're concerned, the two of you are top of the shop. Lots of love and best wishes from two ducks from Pembrokeshire. Quack, quack.
Hello, Brian and Diane.
Thank you. This big thank you is to say how much we have appreciated the bingo.
Over the last 12 months, we've looked forward to Mondays, not only to the bingo, but also to meeting our new friends on Zoom.
It's been so good seeing others who share the same problems as me.
And it has truly helped us to get through the isolation and the worries of COVID.
We have had a lot of fun.
And we still wait for those cheques to arrive.
And so from 2 and 2, 22, two little ducks,
quack,
quack,
quack.
quack. A big heartfelt thank you from us and Wally Parton.